Hey, what is happening today, ladies and gentlemen? I have for you today a little bit of a half and half video. First, I'm going to show you a couple of the electronics and recording equipment that I'm going to bring with me to my Tokyo and Bangkok adventure, and then I'm going to do a little bit of a YuGiOh booster opening, kind of a cool find I found in Walmart today. And so it's going to be kind of a fun half and half video. So I wanted to start off today by showing you guys my DJI Spark drone. I purchased this maybe 2 weeks ago and I ended up getting really good at it. It's super lightweight, it's super small, and it will fit in my backpack since that's all I'm going to bring is a backpack with me on this adventure. I did end up getting the controller kit for it as well, and it does record in 1080p. 30 frames per second. This is very beginner. I am a very beginner drone flyer. I won't be able to fly this in Tokyo because you need permitting and things like that, and I just don't think I'm going to have the time. Plus, I'm only there for a day. It's not like I'm going to have time to do it anyway, so I'm going to keep that in the pack while I'm in Tokyo and just try to take some good street and people shots. But as far as Bangkok goes, Bangkok's a little bit more lenient. I still do have to get permitted, but I think I could do that at the local magistrate or the police station while I'm there, and that should allow us to fly that. In addition to the drone, I have this bad boy right here. Now, this is not being filmed on itself, obviously. This is a recording on my cell phone that you're watching, but this is what I'm recording the rest of the video on, and it is the new GoPro 7. This bad boy has some great stabilization on it. I wanted to get a small form factor camera, and looking into DSLRs, really main difference is the lenses. Obviously there's some videographers and photographers will tell you there's some other large differences, but this works for what I need. And I also equipped that Rode mic on the top that you see there. That way I can get a little bit of a better sound quality out of it. And those are the two recording devices, as it were, that I'm going to bring with me on my adventure so that I can bring it to you guys over the internet. Boom! We have here a little Walmart find I wanted to do at the end of this video. It's a Pharaoh Servant Pack. How cool is that? Now this thing includes the Pharaoh Servant Pack, 2 rares and 8 common cards. I found it at Wally World today, or Walmart. I think I paid like $6 for it. So, pretty cool. Old school Pharaoh Servant Pack. Plus, who knows, maybe we'll get some cool rares or something. Alright, so first things first, let's get into the mystery cards and let's see what those rares and such are. Now typically the way these things are set up is the rares are facing the very back, so usually these are the rares. I don't know if that's how it's going to be, but we'll see. Okay, so first things first, we got a Battle Ox, we've got a LLTGEM, ooh, we got cards being thrown away. We got a Summon Skull, we've got Giant Stone Soldier, and this is from the DEM 2 packs, these are not LLB or anything. Inspiration, Threatening Roar, Crystal Master, we've got Crystal, or Cyber Soul Cyclone, we've got, oh, Gateway Dragon, alright, super rare, not bad, and Zephyr Metaltron, cool, alright. So 2 super rares, I think, yep, not too shabby. Alright, and this one's a first edition. So, now, the reason why we really bought this pack, let's be honest, right there, Pharaoh Servant. Okay. Now you'll notice these shots are kind of like, if I get close in, you can see the packs kind of warping on. I got the wide angle shot on. I might try linear later on with some more openings. But I wanted to show some pretty cool potential with this camera as well. So it's kind of like a two-purpose video. Okay. And it is just a small opening, but let's see what we got. We got Infinite Dismissal. We got a Dark Fire Soldier. We have Shadow of Eyes. got a Skull Mariner, Island Turtle, Spike Bot. The Fiend Mega Cyber, yes! Are you kidding me? Oh my goodness, look at this. Ladies and gentlemen, what a way to end the video. By busting open the Fiend Mega Cyber in the Pharaoh Servant Pack. Look at that. Alright guys, and then Shift is the standard rare. How about that? Boy, that was a card back in the day. This was index right here. Okay, well, that's your opening. This is the demo of the new camera, of the new microphone. Now you can just kind of see what I'm going to bring along with me on my adventure. And stay tuned. I got one more video coming to you guys this Monday before the next videos you're going to see are going to be on airplanes and in other countries. Thanks for joining me on another day in Rich's life. We'll see you next time.